Hello and welcome guys. We are back with another video today. We are making chicken kosha. It's a Bengali delicacy and we are sure you're going to love it. The main ingredients first, we have 1 kg of chicken legs here. Besides that, we have a black tea. That's an important ingredient here. Beaten yogurt, onion paste, 1 large onion that we've made into beresta. And finally you have the front powder made out of mace and nutmeg, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, and also some whole spices and ground spices. So these are the main ingredients. Let's get started. The first step guys here would be to marinate the chicken, for which we are going to put some salt in the chicken. Add in the beaten yogurt. The onion paste, the ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of turmeric. Give it a good mix. And now we'll set the chicken aside for 15 minutes to marinate. While the chicken is marinating, let's just make the paste out of the beresta with some water. Take a pan and heat up some mustard oil, around 2 tablespoons. Once the oil has heated up, you're going to add in the whole spices. When you can sense a nice aroma coming out, we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. And give everything a nice mix. After about a minute or two, we are going to add in the beresta paste that we made. Maintain the flame at low-medium at this point in time. And we're going to mix everything again. It's essential that the spices don't burn while we are braising everything together. We had saved the water from the mixer grinder that we used to make the beresta paste, and we're just going to use that same water here, just little by little. After braising for around 5 minutes, we are going to add in the sugar and red chili powder. Mix everything one more time and continue braising while adding water occasionally. Now this entire braising process is what is going to give the nice color to this chicken. So this is quite a crucial step. After 5 more minutes of braising with occasional addition of water, you can see that we've got a nice color now. At this stage, we will just add in the chicken. Just add all of them. Just give everything a nice mix. After 10 minutes guys, we'll just add in the powder made out of mace and nutmeg and mix everything again and continue cooking. The chicken is not done yet, so we'll continue cooking again. After another 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken is around 80% done. Now we're going to add in the black tea and continue cooking. After 5 minutes of further cooking, we've checked the salt. We need to add some salt here. And we're also going to add in the garam masala at this stage. Following which, just mix everything well and continue cooking until the chicken is completely done. After another 5 minutes, guys, the chicken is absolutely ready. We're just going to close the lid and set it aside for 5 minutes before serving. And the final step, we're ready to serve. Let's go on to serving it now. And all done. Enjoy.